Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp new call tab for contacts. So it's a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, simply open your WhatsApp app, and at the bottom, there are different sections like chats, updates, communities, and calls. And tap on the very end, there is a call section, and you can see your recent call history. Now, if you want to call a person, you can simply tap on the call icon right over here, and from the contacts you can simply scroll down and find and select all the contacts that you want to add. You can also create a group chat for calling by selecting multiple person, but if you just want to select one person, simply tap on that and simply tap on the call link. But if you don't have the person name saved, you can always tap on the new call link right over here, and you can easily share this link right over here by copying it and sharing to your friends. Now you can also add permission, like if they require approval to join. If you turn this on, they will need your approval when they tap on the link to join the call. But if you tap this on, if they press the link at any time a day, they will be logged into this call right away. Now for ease, you can also add this to your calendar, and that's easy if you have a Google Calendar, but no worries. Now simply head back. For other option, if you haven't saved the contact and if you just have the number happening to be around you, then simply tap on the keypad and just dial in the number. That's very easy. Now after you finish dialing your number, for example, blah blah blah, and then what you can do is simply tap on the call icon right over here, the orange one, and it will directly call you. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily access your WhatsApp call tab section. And thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.